Hey guys, today's video is going to be my fifth and final Jomar unboxing. I got my fifth box today in the mail. It is October 19th. It's actually my daughter Sorella's fifth birthday, which is crazy. I can't believe she's 5. My oldest just turned 17 over the weekend, then my youngest just turned 10 months. It's like crazy. This box is a 15-piece box, I think it's 10 or 15. I don't know the numbers, the details. I'll put it like on the screen. But it's all Adidas stuff. And I ordered this box on September 5th. Like I said, it is October 19th when I'm getting this. Jomar shipping does take a while, so just know that if you order from them, they have a 28 business day turnaround time. I will link my other Jomar unboxing videos down below. The box, it's huge. Good scissors and cut it, and I said no, I'd rather just... Yeah, so this is an Adidas box. It's a 15-piece women's pre-loved. All right, first thing, ooh, okay, we have an Adidas, okay, it's all Adidas. It's a track jacket, a size extra large. Ooh, it's got the trefoil logo and it's pink and blue. I like this, and I like that it's a bigger size too. Okay, first thing I'm loving. Oh, and on the back, well, you can see it. There's the logo. Okay, yes, first thing I'm loving. Next we have, okay, an Adidas. Yes, it's Adidas, it's Adidas, it's Adidas. We have a sweatshirt. This says, size small. This is men's. This is men's, but I'm not mad. Yeah, there's no way that's a women's small because that's pretty big. Oh man, okay, so that's what it looks like on the front. And then there's a big scratch in the back, like friggin' Wolverine took a claw and was like, eh. Okay, this is definitely men's though, because there's no way that this is a women's small because it's huge. So yeah, but I mean, I'll try to sell it, not for much because it's got claw marks in it. Oh, we've got, wait, do we? No, these are different. I was gonna say you have the matching pants to that track jacket, but these are different. These are a size extra small, and this is red, white, and blue striped track pants. Okay, extra small. No, this has got to be men's too. This is big for an extra small. Adidas sizing is usually like on point. It's not like off like Victoria's Secret sizing is. So we have some more track pants. These are also size extra small. These look like, I don't know. Maybe it is women's, but they look really big for an extra small. This looks like a medium. I don't know. What is this? Okay, what the hell? This is not women's. This is not women's. There's no way. There's no way this is women's. This says size small. I wonder if there's a way to look up the all the tags are ripped out of this one, obviously. Oh wait, I could scan this code and see, but that is like, ooh, that's like kid size. That is like kid size. All right, more track pants. These are a size small. Look like this. Hey, we have a t-shirt. A t-shirt, size small. This looks like it could be men's too, but I don't know. I need to figure out if there's a way to tell the difference between men's and women's Adidas stuff. I know there is for Nike. I'll have to check it out. What are you? Oh, this is cute. This is a size large pink shirt. Cute. Okay, we got some shorts. Extra small. Okay, let's do this. Hold on. Okay. These say extra small. This looks like an extra small. It's actually a skirt with shorts underneath. So this says extra small, and this says small. So let's just put them up to each other. This is the extra small. This is a small. There's no way that this one is women's sizing. This is definitely like little girls. Ooh, I might keep this for myself. I'm gonna keep this for myself. This says extra small, but this is big. So it's just trefoil sweatshirt, but it's got lacy arms. That's so cute. Can you see? Oh, there we go. Ooh, I like it. That's a big extra small. I like it. I might keep it. I might keep it for myself. I might keep it for myself. What is this? We have an Adidas Red Sox shirt. Guys, Red Sox. I hate, because I live in New England, everyone automatically assumes that I'm a Red Sox fan. First of all, basketball is my number one. In baseball, honestly, my like true favorite team is the Atlanta Braves. I've been a Braves fan ever since the days of David Justice, Chipper Jones, like Greg Maddux. I could name so many great 90s Braves players. But yeah, I would choose the Braves over the Red Sox, and then even the Yankees before the Red Sox too. And I live in New England. People are like, what? You don't like the Red Sox? It's like, no, I like the Celtics. I'm a huge Celtics fan. That's what it looks like. All right, we have some more shorts. These are a size medium. Like this. These are cute. More shorts, more shorts. These are a size small. These are like longer. Cute. These look, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out. Yeah, I gotta be able to look up like the style code number thing and see if it's men's or women's or kids. Those shorts are for sure kids. I know they are. What's this? What is this like silky number we got going on here? This is a size large. Looks like this. On the front, it's just like a regular t-shirt material. But on the back, it's like, not silk, but it's like very thin, like see-through. This is cute. Okay. We've got some joggers, size small. Ooh, those are cute. Those are cute, cute, cute. Cute, 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 cute. More joggers. These are a size extra small. It's definitely will fit a small. They just look like this. Okay, so I'm excited for this box. I need to figure out which pieces are men's, which pieces are women's, because I'm convinced it's not all women's. Those shorts are definitely kids, for sure. I will have a link to Jomar down below if you guys want to purchase something. I do have a discount code that you guys can use for 20% off, I think. But just beware when you order. Just know you're getting mystery boxes. You don't know what you're going to get. It's a gamble. It's a risk. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.